case 3, consider Stirling's formula. We have yp equals f of x equals a y naught plus r divided by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus delta y suffix minus 1 whole divided by 2 plus r square divided by 2 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus r into r square minus 1 square divided by 3 factorial into delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus r square into r square minus 1 square divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2 plus so on. Where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. Now here if you differentiate with respect to r, so you will get f dash of x. I will write directly formula here. So 1 by h into delta y naught plus delta y suffix minus 1 whole divided by 2 plus r into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus 3r square minus 1 divided by 6 into delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus 2r cube minus r divided by 12 into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2 plus so on. So this is your first derivative. Here also where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. Again if you differentiate with respect to r, you will get second derivative. I will write directly the formula. Okay, so 1 by h square into, so here this is r is not there, so this becomes 0. So if you differentiate, what you get? Delta square y suffix minus 1, and here you will get plus r into delta cube. Here you will get 6r divided by 6 you will get. So 6 will get here, only r remaining. Delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus, so this becomes 6r minus 1 divided by 12 into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2 plus so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So this is the formula. Now we will take the problems based on Stirling's here. So first one, a slider in a machine moves along a fixed straight line, fixed straight rod. Its distance x centimeter. Along the rod is given below. For various values of the time t seconds, find the velocity of the slider and its acceleration when t equals 0.2 seconds. So they given the data here t and here x. So 0 it is 30.13 and for 0.1 it is 31.62 and for 0.2 it is 33.64 and for 0.3 33.95 and for that is 32.87 and this is 33.64 and here for 0.4 33.95 I will take. So here using Stirling's formula. So here we have a formula here y naught and r delta y naught delta y suffix minus 1 delta square y suffix minus 2, but here they given t and x. So if you take t and x formula get changes. ಸೊ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಟಿ equals time. So I can say this one it is as x and x equals distance. So I will take this one as y. So if you take it this one as x and this one as y, so you will get formula never changes, you will get same formula. So formulaದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, get same formula ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now what you have to find out the velocity. Velocity means here find the velocity. Velocity means Here you have to find out dy by dx, and here next what you have to find out? You have to find out the acceleration. So acceleration means you have to differentiate again, means d square y by dx square. So you can write this one as f dash of x, and this one also you can write f double dash of x. So now you have to construct the table, forward table. So here I am taken x equals t, and here I took y equals x. So here for 0 it is 30.13, and for 0.1 it is 31.62, and for 0.2 it is 32.87, and here for 0.3 it is 33.64, and here for 0.4 it is 33.95. So you have to find out for t is equal to 0.2. That means at x is equal to 0.2. So 0.2 where you get here, this is your x naught and this is your y naught. This is y suffix minus 1, y suffix minus 2, this one, and here y1, and this one is y2. Okay, so delta y. So you have to take these two difference. These two difference means delta y suffix minus 2. So you will get 1.49. 1.49. So these two difference means delta y suffix minus 1, it is 1.25. And these two difference means delta y naught. So how much you get? 0.77. And these two difference means delta y suffix 1, this is 0.31. So delta square y. So these two difference means here what I get, delta square y suffix minus 2. So you will get the value is minus 0.24. And here these two difference means delta square y suffix minus 1. So these two difference you will get minus 0.48, and these two difference means delta square y naught. So you will get minus 0.46. And now delta q y. So these two difference here, delta q y suffix minus 2 value is, will get 0.02, and these two difference delta q y suffix minus 1 value is 0.02. Now delta to the power of 4y. So delta to the power of 4y suffix minus 2 value is 0.26. These two difference. It is 24. Now here substitute in this formula. So what do you get here? F dash of x equals 1 by h into delta y naught plus delta y suffix minus 1 divided by 2 plus r into delta square y suffix 1 plus 3r square minus 1 divided by 6 into what you get delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus up to reiterate up to delta to the power of 4. So what do you get? 2r cube minus r divided by 12 into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2, so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So x value is also 0.2. So x value to find the given 0.2. Here you have to find out 0.2. X value is 0.2. X naught value is also it is 0.2 divided by h value is 0.1. So we'll get 0. So what you get divided by 0.1, h value is 0.1 into here what is delta y naught? It is 0.77 plus what you get 1.25 delta y suffix minus 1 divided by 2, and here this term is also 0, and here you will get minus this term is 0, so we will get minus 1 by 6 into what you get 0.02 minus 0.24, this and this one whole divided by 2. So you get the answer is 10.28. So this is your f dash of x. Now we have to find out f double dash of x second derivative. Sorry, this is point f dash of point. Now we have to find out f double dash of point 2. So f double dash of x formula is 1 over 1 by h square into what you get delta square y suffix minus 1 plus r into delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus 6r minus 1 divided by 12 into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2 plus so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So x is also 0.2 and x naught value is also 0.2, so divided by it is 0.1, so we'll get 0 only. So f double dash of x value to find out is 0.2 equals 1 divided by h value is difference is 0.1 whole square into delta y suffix minus 1. So delta y suffix minus 1 value is 1 point. Delta square y suffix minus 1, delta square y suffix minus 1 is minus 0.48 48, and here plus r value is 0, so whole term becomes 0, and here r is there, this term it becomes 0, so this becomes minus 1 by 12 into delta to the power of 4 y suffix minus 2, that is 0.26. So you will get 45.833 centimeter per second. So f double dash of point. Now next problem. A rod is rotating in a plane. The following table gives the angle theta in radians through which the rod has turned for various values of the time t seconds. So here they given the table t and theta. So for 0 it is 0, and for 0.2 it is 0.12, and for 0.4 it is 0.49, and for 0.6 you will get 1.12, and for 0.8 you will get 2.02, and for 1.0 it is 3.20, and for 1.2 you get 4.67. Calculate the angular velocity and angular acceleration of the rod when t equals 0.6 second. Solution. So here also they given in term here t and theta radians. So here you have x and y. Formula is in x and y only. So I'll consider let theta equals radians. So I will take this one as x. Okay. Sorry. I will take this one as y, and here t is equal to seconds. So I will take this one as y. So this we can say. Now we shall consider Stirling's formula to compute or find dx by dt. That means here angular velocity. And dy by dx, and d square y by dx square means it is angular acceleration. Here if you first derivative gives the velocity and second derivative gives the acceleration. So remember that one. At what is t is 0.6. What I taken t is x. So at x is equal to 0.6 seconds. Now we have to construct the table. So here x equals t I taken, and here y equals theta. So for 0 it is 0, for 0.2 it is 0.12, and for 0.4 it is 0.42, and for 0.6 you get 0.49, and for 0.8 you'll get 49. Sorry, this one is 49, and here for 0.1 1.12, and for 0.8 it is 2.02, and for 1.0 it is 3.20, and for 1.2 you'll get 4.67. So which one is middle here? This is x naught here. This becomes y naught, and this becomes y suffix 1, y suffix minus 2, y suffix minus 3, and this one is y1, y2, y3. Now here delta y. So what you get these two difference means delta y suffix minus 3 value is 0.12. These two difference, this minus this, and here delta y suffix minus 2 value is, you get 0.37, and these two values delta y suffix minus 1 value is, here you get 0.63, this minus this, and here delta y naught 2.02 minus 1.12, so you get 0.90, and here delta y1, so delta y1 this minus this, so we get 1.18, and here delta y suffix 2, so we will get 1, this minus this means 1.47 will get, and here delta square y, so these two difference, so we get delta square y suffix minus 3, this minus this means you get 0.25, and here these two difference delta square y suffix minus 2, so you'll get it is 0.26, and here these two difference delta square y suffix minus 1, so you will get it is 0.27, and here these two difference delta square y suffix y naught, so you will get it is 0.28, and here these two difference means delta square y suffix 1, so you will get 0.29. So delta q y, so we'll get these two differences 0.01, and these two differences 0.01, and these two difference also 0.01, and these two differences 0.01. Fourth derivative becomes 0. Now formula here, f dash of x equals 1 by h into delta y naught plus delta y suffix minus 1 divided by 2 plus r into delta square y suffix 1 plus 3r square minus 1 divided by 6 into delta q y suffix 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So what is x value? X value is 0.6 and x naught value is also 0.6 divided by h here 0.2, so we'll get 0. So f dash of 0.6 equals here. So if you substitute all these values, you get 3.16, 3.8167, approximately you can write 3.82. Now f double dash of x formula is f double dash of x equals 1 by h square into delta square y suffix 1 plus r into delta q y suffix minus 1 plus delta q y suffix minus 2 whole divided by 2 plus so on. Here also, what is r value? R value will get 0 because x minus x naught divided by h. X also 0.6 and x naught is also 0.6, so we will get 0. So f double dash of 0.6 answer, what you get answer is, if you substitute all those things, you will get 6.75. So this is the required solution. So substitute these values in this, so we'll get 6.75.